Hi guys, and in this tutorial, again, we want to create another measure budget variance. So we are going to create another one. We create this one by itself, and then now we are going to create a budget variance. So let's go to create that one. Okay. Come to here, get new another measures. So I already got the new measure from here. So let's go to your thing. Okay, yours guys budget. Okay, budget variance. We want to budget variance percentage. We use percent. Okay, and here we want to divide divide by current year sales. Current year sales. So this one, and then okay, minus budget sales. Then we want to get again budget sales. If there is any number or case that error, so if there's any case, we are going to get blank page. Or blank page, okay, and then last to close. So in this way, guys, how to create a budget variance current year sales. Now enter. Yes. So we have here budget sales, and then we have a budget variance. So this is how we created, guys. How many measures we already created now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. So we already created, and so guys, if you are new here, like, subscribe to share this tutorials to see so many people also want to learning full stack data analyze master dashboard, or just think like this is your own project, or just think this is your own business. You are going to solve, or you are going to make a better decision, right? You are going to make it exactly which way you are going to solve your business problems to make a better decisions, right? We'll see you in my next tutorials. So we are almost going to start the visualization using the film, but now, because it's a very important part, how to create the KPI. Then to build the KPI, these are very important things. We are going to see this dashboard guide from the master for really professional dashboard, not just looking. This is really I want to share with you. You are going to see the final. So just to follow and to learning all of these parts. See you in my next tutorial upcoming.